What if I told you that one exercise alone could transform more than half of your body? It sounds unbelievable, but it's true. That exercise is the push-up. Most people think push-ups are only for building a bigger chest, but they're wrong. Every perfect push-up trains your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, abs, lower back, and even your leg. More than half of your body is working together with every single rep. That's why push-ups are considered one of the best full-body bodyweight exercises ever created. The best part? You don't need an expensive gym. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't even need excuses. All you need is the floor and the discipline to keep going. But here's the truth. Anyone can do a few push-ups when they're fresh. The real challenge begins when your chest starts burning, your arms begin to shake, your breathing gets heavy, and your mind whispers, stop. That's the moment that separates average people from disciplined ones, because your body usually gives up after your mind does. Sigma mentality isn't about talking. It isn't about showing off. It's about doing the work when nobody is watching. Every push-up you complete builds more than muscle. It builds discipline. It builds confidence. It builds mental toughness. It proves that you can push through discomfort instead of running away from it. Think about it. Just 30 push-ups a day. No gym membership, no expensive machines, no shortcut. Just consistency. And if 30 becomes easy, do 40, then 50, then 75, then 100. Because greatness is never built in one day. It's built one rep at a time. Remember, your biggest competition isn't the person standing next to you. It's the person you were yesterday. Do one more rep. Make one less excuse. Become a little stronger every single day. Now put your phone down, get on the floor, and prove to yourself that you have what it takes. Because every great transformation begins with one decision. And maybe today, it starts with your very first push-up. If you do push-ups every day for 30 days, your body will start to change. At first, it will feel hard, your muscles will ache, and even a few push-ups may feel difficult. But after a few days, your strength and stamina will begin to improve. By the second week, your chest, shoulders, and arms will feel stronger and more controlled. After 30 days, you may notice better strength, improved endurance, and slight muscle definition. Push-ups don't just train your chest, they activate your entire upper body. The real change doesn't come in 30 days alone. It comes from consistency.